Hey everyone, so I am Richa Punjani, money regulation, nervous system coach, life coach, business coach. So I help people to understand where they're going wrong, why do they feel anxious, depressed, or really agitated while looking at their bank account. What exactly is making them doubt the opportunities? What actually making them doubt everything around, question everything in the world, in the universe, and then thinking ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है? It is happening because it is all in you, and it's not even your problem. You don't need fixing. Life coaches say you need fixing, you need this, that, blah blah blah. No, you don't need all that. What you need is actually a structure to understand why it is happening, because it is within you. You are not feeling safe about it, you're not feeling regulated about it. So this nervous system regulation is something which will help you discern what exactly you should do in your life, in terms of opportunities, in terms of business, in terms. So yeah, this is about all about money regulation coach. This is not just affirmation guide and all. Of course, I do provide affirmations, visualization towards it, but also you need to feel safe. Understand, until unless you don't feel safe with making, earning, spending, growing money, you will not be able to do it. I've been at a situation where I once in earlier I used to make 3 lakhs a year, and today I make much more than that. Is not because of I've got skills and all. It is because I have regulated my nervous system to attract more money, to make money, to grow money. Okay, so if you are somebody who feel I have all the money in the world, but कुछ हो जाता है कि पैसे चले जाते हैं, कुछ हो जाता है कि आई लूज़ मनी, कुछ हो जाता है कि आई टेक वेरी रॉन्ग मनी डिसीजंस. So yes, I am keeping these 2 days masterclass on money regulation coach, where you will not just be getting all the gyan and all the knowledge and all the motivation. No, you will not be getting all that. What you will be doing is you will be doing an actual activity within me, within the session, so that your nervous system, if it is here, it will reach here. If it is here, it will reach here. So I'm not saying you will be 100% there. I'm not going to give you all false hope and all that. No, it is a work, and you will get to know how to work, and within these 2 days you will reach at least 10 pointers above where you are. So just to be part of it, just DM me and I'll get back to you.